Today we're going to show you how to change your Nissan Frontier Key Fob battery, which we've got right here. First thing we need to do is remove the spare key. You can do that by this lever on the back here. You're going to press up. That's going to release that key when you pull out, and then you are ready to pry open the Nissan Frontier Key Fob. Now, in order to do this, it's very important you don't just push in and pry up. You want to get just the tip in here. There's two little ledges, one here and one right here, that you can fit a small screwdriver in. We're going to put our screwdriver in that ledge and we're going to twist and turn rather than just shove it in there. So we get just the tip in there and we're going to twist up. And we're going to twist up, and that's going to allow us to open up the Nissan Frontier Key Fob battery. Now, it's important to note that these do take CR2032 batteries, and we can see that that is the case when we look right here. Typically, it'll show you on the case, but we're also going to be able to see that from the battery itself when we take this out. Now, the reason I showed you that method of just the tip on the Nissan Frontier Key Fob battery is because you can see all these sensitive electronics in there. You don't want to just push in so hard and then hit one of those electronics and then break that Nissan Frontier Key Fob battery. So we don't want to do that. We get that key fob battery out of there. We're going to put the new CR2032 battery in. Important to note, plus side goes down on these and the negative side goes up. So we got the plus side down, negative side up. Now we're ready to put the Nissan Frontier Key Fob back together. We're going to push this in place, snap, get it all in there, and we are good to go. We're going to put our key back in there. And now we have replaced our Nissan Frontier Key Fob battery. And folks, before you go, I got one big favor to ask you. I hope this helped you, and now you got an opportunity to help other people. You can give this a thumbs up, doesn't cost you anything, or subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. And that's going to help more people see this video. And that's going to help more people help other people, and it's also going to help me. So it's a win-win-win-win for everybody, because times are tough out there, people. We want to create great content that helps you do stuff DIY rather than spending money on go to a dealership, help you save a little bit of money and hopefully save you a little bit of time. So thanks for watching this video on how to change your Nissan Frontier Key Fob battery. We appreciate you watching, and please help us out and help other people. Give us that thumbs up or subscribe. We do appreciate you, and I do appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.